Start.
My name is Satvika.
A for apple.
A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for gun, H for hen, I for ice cream, J for jug, K for kite,
L for
lion, M for monkey,
N for
nest, O for orange, P for parrot, S for
Q
sheep, Q for cube, R for rabbit, S for sheep, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for bear, W for